Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Unilorin post Utme past question 16. Under whose regime were Delta and Adamawa states created? A. General Sani Abacha. B. General Yakubu Gowon. C. General Murtala Mohammed. And D. General Ibrahim Babangida. Under whose regime were Delta states and Adamawa states created? A. General Sani Abacha. B. General Yakubu Gowon. C. General Murtala Mohammed. And D. General Ibrahim Babangida. Now, in the month of August 1991, 11 more states were created. 11 more states. Now, this was under the regime of General Ibrahim Babangida. He added 11 more states to the existing states. Now, among these states were Delta and Adamawa. We had Delta, we had Adamawa, and other states that were created under the regime of General Ibrahim Babangida. So the question asked us under whose regime. Now, whose regime is talking about the person in power during the time that Delta and Adamawa states were created. And I let you know that Delta and Adamawa states were created on August 1991 under the regime of General Ibrahim Babangida. So the answer to this particular question is D. General Ibrahim Babangida. He was the one that saw to the creating of 11 more states. And I said it was August 1991. Thank you. God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.